All right, gang, it's Bryan Martin, the boss man over here at 4 State Trucks, talking about Peterbilt headlights. For years, the dual round headlight assembly like we used to get on the 359s and some of the Freightliners back in the day have only been available either at the salvage yard. Maybe you get really lucky because they're hard to find and you find a used set at a salvage yard. But most of us have just bought the aftermarket versions. They're a stainless bucket. Aftermarket, good quality. You can get them with traditional bulbs or with some crystal bulbs, some trick high-end bulbs. But to find actual OE quality, you got to look further. Well, the folks at Dirk's up at Dan's shop just launched recently an OE quality aluminum bucket. The factory, this is the same headlights, buckets, metalwork, bezel that would have come on a new Peterbilt in the 80s. This is OE quality. It's heavy. When you pick it up, you can tell this is the real deal. They come left and right. They're not universal like the aftermarket, so you need to order these as a left and a right. Nice wire loom, just like came from Peterbilt. Wire ends, bullet connectors on the end. They have a knack for sourcing out the really high quality stuff that came on the truck back when it left the factory, or very comparable. So, as I said, a lot of people are putting these on drop brackets, putting them on 389s, 379s. If they're shaving the headlights on a Kenworth, we've even put them on those, and so on and so forth. So, we've got them in stock. We try to keep them in stock, but they are selling fast. You can go to our website, 4statetrucks.com. In the search bar, type in, and this is a long one, aluminum dual round headlamp assembly. Aluminum dual round headlamp assembly. These will come up, or could just type in the part numbers that we've got at the bottom of the screen there, and it'll take you, bam, right to the page. So if you're wanting the real deal, factory quality headlights that are going to last 12, 14, 15 years on your truck, these dual round headlight assemblies from Dirk's are in stock at 4 State Trucks, and we'd love to fix you up with a set. So give us a call.